Matthew Cruz's family leaves the Brampton courthouse minutes after seeing Ajamkot Sandhu finally taken into custody after being sentenced to 8 years in prison. The 25-year-old was found guilty in August of impaired and dangerous driving causing death. Sandhu has been out on bail since his arrest, 4 months after the deadly crash.
What I will say is he got to say goodbye to his family. They got to say goodbye to him, and that's something that we were deprived of. Matthew doesn't get to have a second chance where Mr. Sandhu will.
It was September 11th, 2021, when Sandhu, who was drunk and high on marijuana, drove his Volkswagen Jetta at roughly 124 kilometers an hour in a 60 zone. Sandhu T-boned a Subaru that was operating as a rideshare vehicle at the intersection of Winston Churchill Boulevard and Burnhamthorpe Road, killing Matthew Cruz, who was a passenger in the backseat of the Subaru.
He was finishing work, getting an Uber to come home because we had a golf round the next morning.
The rideshare driver and Sandhu's girlfriend were also seriously injured. Court heard Sandhu and his girlfriend initially lied to police. They said that someone named Jay, whom they'd met that night, was driving and that they were passengers, saying that Jay ran off after the collision. It was only after Sandhu's girlfriend went to police more than 2 months later and gave a statement about what really happened that investigators were able to charge Sandhu. Sandhu's now ex-girlfriend was a witness for the Crown. The Cruz family says she was the only one who showed any remorse.
She was the only one that showed any ounce of how wrong this situation was, and if anything, we've got to give her credit.
The Crown had asked for a 10-year prison sentence, while defense suggested 6 for the first-time offender. The judge explained 6 years was not enough, telling court the toll of drinking and driving offences in this region has been immense. Furthermore, his post-offence conduct in trying to deflect blame is simply reprehensible.
Do I have any sympathy or empathy for this guy? No.
Sandhu was given 3 months credit for 5 days pretrial custody and house arrest. He has 7 years and 9 months left to serve in prison and was also given a 15-year driving ban. Catherine McDonald, Global News.